All right, here we are, 69 Chevy C10. Got a little dent in the side there. That's just in the bed. That'll be easy to pull out. Get that thing all done. Windshield wipers saying hi. It's a pretty straight truck for the most part. Got a little bed work going on. So they put some steel in there and whatever. But I'm gonna put a wood bed in it because I want to make it look really cool. I got the pallet here to stop it. We got it off the trailer. Matching tailgate. Little bumper jacked up. I got one of them anyway, so I don't know what I'm gonna do for the bumper. And there's that dent. Not that bad, really. It's just crinkly. Down below the crease. Open up the door. It's original factory air. So this has got 36,000 miles on it. I think it might be 1,036,000. But it's got the metal roof, which is what I want. The seat, it's got a fairly new gas tank. Yeah. And you know, seat cover, whatever. It's got a tape deck. Doesn't have steering lock or anything like that. So let's take you under the hood here. Probably got to set you down. See if I can get it here. There we go. Got the other hood spring right there. It's just not in. It's all original, numbers matching truck. Factory air. I'm gonna guess when you're gonna need a new thing in there. It's got a redone alternator. It's got a Ruga horn. Nice thing. Probably need a new radiator. Who knows? I mean, it doesn't look that bad actually. Guy said it was driving when he put it on his trailer the first time. It's got a new lightning cable. So anyway, there we have it. Another project after this one. I just didn't want to wait, so I bought it early because I wanted a nice old 69 with matching numbers. It was even better. And then you know, just have a really cool truck. It's got drum brakes in the back. It's got a front drum brakes up there, so we'll be changing those. And I'm missing a couple studs anyway. So the mirrors are funky. That's okay. Here's me, by the way, if you've never seen me. There we go. And you know, that's about it. Nice little truck. It's gonna be nice. I love this body style. Just the way it is. So there we have it.